3 weeks later.
While this loads, let's discuss a new game that has taken the gaming world by surprise. Yes guys, in today's episode of 2Minute Tech, we'll discuss Among Us, a 2018 launch that has got everybody asking who is the imposter, if you remember the thing from the past. But before that, like, share and subscribe and watch this whole video for a surprise. In the next 2 minutes, I'll take you through the do's and don'ts for the imposters to slay this game. So let's hit the timer. So the vents are a fantastic way to move around the map, but it's very risky. Every time you drop into one, you are risking somebody seeing you entering or leave it. So next one is talking. Some imposters feel the need to prove their innocence so much that they overshare and raise suspicion. During group discussions especially, you should focus on stating your alibi and lowering your suspicion as much as possible. So the next one is stack killing. Stack killing is an act of killing someone where everyone is piled onto one square, making it impossible to know who did it. There are a few problems with this. First, it puts suspicion onto everyone in the room, which is a double-edged sword for the imposter. The biggest problem is that veteran players are waiting for the stack kill. People will bait the imposters by faking a stack and moving off to see who the killer is. Stack killing is a high risk play with little reward. The next one is dead bodies. Many imposters tend to leave the dead bodies on the ground and not report them. The problem with that is if someone else sees you leave a room and then you go in and find a body, you will be a prime suspect. Next, let's move on to the do's. The first one is alibi. Whenever a body is found and deliberations begin, everybody starts to say where they were and state their alibi. When making up an alibi, it is important to consider where other people were. If you say you are in electrical but someone else was there who didn't see you, then you will be caught red-handed. So try not to be the first person to speak out and base your lie based on what others are saying. So the next one is sabotage. Remember, there are multiple forms of sabotage. Such as taking away oxygen, setting a timer for the ship to blow up, and closing the doors and so on. All of them are useful to the imposters. Using the right sabotage at the right time can be game winning. And the next one is tasks. When an emergency meeting is called and people are throwing around names, one way to make sure that your name is not mentioned is to finish tasks quickly. There's no reason to delay unless you are one of the infiltrator. So guys, that's it for today's 2-minute tech. And check the description for the next giveaway and also check the previous video for the winner. I'll announce it there, and peace out.